Hello everyone. So today in this video we are discussing all about cyber security. So we know that whenever we feel sick or there is any problem, then we visit to doctor. But what preventive measures we are applying so that we don't get sick, we don't have any problem. But nowadays we have changed our lifestyle such that we are adhering to some diet plans. We are giving more attention towards exercise and all to just prevent these problems to getting sick and to become healthy. But regarding cyber security, is this the same situation for cyber security also? Whenever we are under attack or attack has happened to us for the cyber security things, our system is hacked and so on, then only we visit IT professional, we seek help from them. But just like our personal health, have we changed our lifestyle to prevent these cyber security attacks? No. There are certain things why we are just overlooking about these cyber security issues. These healthcare, both healthcare and cyber protection are required preventive approach so that we have a uh, lifestyle as well as healthy cyber security. Yeah, our systems also should be healthy as much as our body. But still many people are not getting serious about their cyber security. There are many reasons behind that, because most of the people think that cyber security is very much complicated and they don't want to spend time on it. Also there is a misunderstanding that if they have antivirus, then all the problems regarding cyber security will be solved with that antivirus software, which is completely wrong. Also people are not aware much. There is lack of education about that, because education material regarding cyber security is not widely available. Even if it is available, people feel it lengthy or more technical. Also people think that they are small target. What confidential information they have, they do not have much to lose if they are getting hacked. But this is the only thing, you are getting hacked. Also people are not ready to give attention urgently whenever this kind of hacking occurs. So these are the things people are ignoring and overlooking about cyber security issues, which are very much essential in today's life, as we are giving attention to our health. It's more important. And in today's world is becoming more and more digital. Also most of the many assets are now getting digitalized, or we can say that tokenization is happening. And you know that since this tokenization is happening, the evolvement of cryptocurrencies has happened. So with the evolvement of cryptocurrencies, there is a threat of getting hacked. There is a immense threat of getting hacked, and somebody can steal all your investment in cryptocurrencies. So day by day we are hearing about hacking or getting scammed and getting threats to your systems, and also getting hacked by different most renowned exchanges are also getting hacked nowadays. Stolen, your private keys are getting stolen, your wallets are hacked and compromised. So it is very essential in nowadays to look at the cyber security. We have to make it very clear, and we have to be more serious about cyber security options. So use of social media and phishing attacks are the main things where you are getting victim to cyber security attacks. So these are the things. And here now you think, is there any platform or system which can solve all these problems? Hmm. Uh, so there is a platform which can solve all your issues. It is becoming cyber security very easy. Also, it provides all the tools which are required to have your healthy life in terms of cyber security, healthy digital life. I mean to say. Also, it provides educational material so that you are aware more and more on things and you can prevent getting hacked by another systems. So is this kind of platform available? Yes. Hacken. Hacken is the platform which is available now, and the project has launched. Even though the project has launched now, but Hacken AI, this project, it is actually founded in 2017, and the expert team having very much experience in cyber security, they have founded this project Hacken AI. So Hacken AI project, Hacken.ai, this project is nothing but all in one cyber security suite. So one stop solution to all your cyber security needs. This Hacken AI improves your personal security with simple and interactive tool. And this tool Hacken AI application is available on uh, app, app store, also on Google Play. So you can download this application and experience how, at what level this application is giving you cyber security. All cyber security related things you can get at one place under one roof. So what kind of things Hacken AI provides to you? All your essential cyber security suite, which contains cyber boot camp, that is cyber boot camp is a unique educational program. This boot camp is nothing but a unique educational program on the main cyber security topics. So as I mentioned earlier, many people think that this is too much technical, or they are not aware, or many education materials are not available, and here Hacken AI is solving this problem. And with the main cyber security topics including account management, anti-phishing, privacy, and such topics are getting covered under this educational program. It also, right from the beginners to pro, it provides introductory sessions, and thus users can learn how to stay secure and get to know essential basics about things of cyber security locally and also on the web. So in today's digital world, everything is happening on web, so there are more chances you are more vulnerable than last few years. You are more vulnerable now, so it is very essential that you are aware about all these things and you must educate yourself. And another feature is darknet monitoring. So with this Hacken AI darknet monitoring, this is an identity theft prevention product which is provided by Hacken, which enables you to monitor your identity information on the dark web. If someone is getting hacked, you will receive notification if your information is compromised or you found online. Then another is password manager. So using Hacken AI's application, it uses advanced encryption. With that advanced encryption, you can back up your password and store them in Hacken AI's secure storage in just one click. Within one click, you can store all your password, and these passwords will be encrypted. So it is very difficult. It will be very difficult to decrypt these products. The Hacken AI secure storage is also available to secured against all forms of cyber attacks, including SIM swaps, viruses, malwares, and more. So apart from these cyber bootcamp education, darknet monitoring, password manager, so Hacken AI also provides a digital wallet through which you can easily send, receive, and store your digital assets and cryptocurrency on your device. So as I mentioned, the application is available on Apple Store as well as Google Play Store. the Hacken AI digital wallet is secured with advanced encryption. So it's Hacken AI is all about cyber security. So everywhere, for every function, it uses advanced encryption technology, and it also supports many different blockchains, including VeChain, Thor, and more. The main place to store and stake your HAI tokens is this wallet. So if you have HAI tokens, you can store these in this wallet. This is exclusive of NFT collectibles. Also, apart from these features, there are many upcoming future features coming, like multi-factor authentication, 2FA, or secure storage, VPN, antivirus, anti-phishing, and malicious website blocker, risk scoring system for all install apps will be available soon with Hacken AI application. So with Hacken AI application, you will be insured with maximum security, and you can get top-notch cyber security with you. Hacken AI is continuously developing application. So it is not like that the application is developed and now you have to use it, but application will be continuously developing. So there will be continuously improvements, CSIs will be happening, continual service improvements happening, and as the world changes, it also gets changed to provide you more security. So with the cyber security boot camp, you can learn good cyber security habits, which covers different topics like digital assets, security essentials, account management, anti-phishing, privacy, and anti-swim SAP, and so on. So these materials and education is available on this cyber security boot camp. So as I mentioned, Hacken AI is available on iOS and Android, and other platforms application is coming soon. So with this Hacken AI, another important feature is that it provides passwords import facility. So you can gather all your passwords, whether it's a browser password or passwords from password managers from different applications. You can gather all passwords into one place. To simplify your workflow, use Hacken AI password import tool and merge splitted passwords. So it was never so easy to have all passwords at one place, and that also in encrypted manner. So as I mentioned, it's all about cyber security and encryption. So even though these passwords, there is no possibility that anyone can see your passwords, but even if someone hacked your system, these passwords will be in encrypted format, so there is no harm. Hacken AI is partner with VeChain, also Crim, and with the VeChain blockchain, it is providing all the blockchain related advantages. As I mentioned, it was founded in 2017 by a team of cyber security experts, and there is having expert team. 50 years of combined experience team is having for protecting clients in cyber security, banking, manufacturing, transportation, and e-commerce. So strong R&D knowledge base is also having education and network. This Hacken platform is having it as partnership with many industry leaders such as CoinMarketCap, Bitfury, Etherscan, to promote cyber security, accountability, and transparency of the blockchain and IT industry. There are a few B2B products which Hacken is currently providing. These B2B products are Hacken Proof, Security Assessment, Crypto Exchange Rank, and Blockchain Security Consulting. So with these B2B products, Hacken will have not only the retail users, but also different businesses can use this Hacken software. as I mentioned, the most features are it is having non-custodial crypto wallet, also digital asset viewer and tracker, password manager, cyber boot camp where you will have uh, education related to cyber security, multi-factor authentication, account monitoring, secure storage and VPN, which features are coming soon. So this is all about Hackon AI, and regarding the partnership with VeChain. Uh, why they are using VeChain? Because it is providing it is more secure, having unique technology like any other blockchain regarding multi-party payment and so on, multitask transaction. These features are available with VeChain. Also, scalability is one of the most important thing with VeChain. Enterprise adoption it is providing, so that's why VeChain partnership is very much important, because it provides values and ethical principles. And with VeChain ecosystem, the community is also huge. So Hackon AI has using VeChain as a partner. Regarding HAI token is an utility token, yeah, and this is used widely in the HAI ecosystem for different purposes. So this is all regarding Hackon AI project. I hope you like this video, and I have given all the links in the description. Please join Hackon AI, install the application right now on your mobile, whether it's Android or iOS, and soon on Mac and Windows application will be available. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.